Weather conditions this evening, it'll be warm and a little bit on the hazy side. 83 at 7 p.m., 75 by 9 p.m., and 70 by 11 p.m. And this is what it looks like outside right now from our camera. That is brought to us by the good folks at the Westin Hotel up in Westminster. Hazy skies looking off to the north and west. This is the wildfire smoke forecast over the next 48 hours. There's a break off to the east of us, but not here in Colorado. We stay on the smoky side. Those fire weather conditions, of course, are three different things that really filter in. It's going to be the hot temperatures, windy conditions, and of course the dry conditions. We've seen more fire weather days coming up because we've had 36 more days that have higher fire danger across Colorado over the last 50 years. The change in fire weather across the west, you can see that increasing as well since the early 1970s. That's the combination of windy, dry, and hot. And we see the summer weather records, hottest on record across the western part of the United States, the areas that are showing in red, and in the top 10 hottest in the areas showing up in the yellow. And weather records, compared to past records set by decade, we're seeing more hot weather records than we are cool weather records. Of course, this is all part of climate change due to the burning of fossil fuels and the increase in carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, the shrinking Arctic ice, the record-setting wildfires, the increased tropical activity, the heat waves, and the drought. It is all connected, folks. Today, the high temperature, while not a record, was 94, and that's 11 degrees above the average. The record was last year at 97. Right now, we're currently at 91 at our studio, 90 at the airport. The barometer is falling, and the air is dry. We do get a slight little bit of cooling coming in for tomorrow as a very weak cold front moves in. Temperatures by morning, upper 50s to around 60 on the plains, mainly 40s and a few 30s expected in the mountains. That front pushes across the eastern part of the state tomorrow, so slightly cooler air coming in. It's not much, and there's no moisture with it. High temperatures tomorrow will be just in the upper 80s here. It'll be just low to mid 80s northeast Colorado, but it doesn't last long because that front comes roaring back as a warm front on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, and then some cooler air drifts in again for Saturday. So some hot temperatures coming up. Enjoy tomorrow with just 88, 92 Wednesday, 97 on Thursday, 95 on Friday. Saturday slightly cooler with a few storms and 87. Sunday back to 90. Next Monday, another slightly cooler day with 85 under partly cloudy skies.